Hello class! Today we will continue our unit on perfect tense. Last week we covered what a perfect participle is and how to form the present perfect tense. Now we will learn about the past perfect tense. As we go through the video, please pause when you see the pencil symbol to complete the corresponding work on your handout. We will begin by reviewing the past participle. Remember, a past participle is not a verb tense, it is a verb form. It is formed by taking the base form of your verb and adding ed or en. For example, blast off with ed or en equals blasted off. Take off with ed or en equals taken off. Now, pause the video and complete exercise 1. Now that we have reviewed the participle, we will look at how the past perfect tense is formed. While present perfect tense uses have or has plus ed or en, past perfect uses had. Remember, past perfect always uses had. The past perfect is used to talk about an event or action that happened before another action or event in the past. For example, she decided to become an astronaut after she had received her first telescope. In this example, receiving her first telescope happened before she became an astronaut. Past perfect is often used with the simple past to indicate which event happened first. The event that occurred most recently is in the simple past. In the following examples, the words in orange indicate the event that occurred most recently. She had endured many difficult tests before she was hired at NASA. I was scared of aliens because I had read H.G. Wells's The War of the Worlds. After I had watched Guardians of the Galaxy, I was excited to meet aliens. Making the past perfect negative. The past perfect can be made negative by inserting not or never between had and the past participle. For example, he had been to the moon, but he had not been to Mars. The aliens had never seen humans before. Before that day, she had not heard David Bowie's song, Life on Mars. Now, pause the video and complete exercise 2. Refer back to previous slides as necessary. We have gone over the contracted form in class. Here are various types of contractions that use had. This is the form you will most commonly see and use in daily conversation. Please pause the video and complete exercise 3. Adverbs such as just, already, and always can be used to convey more meaning. In example number 1, I just finished eating dinner when I heard the news about the aliens. Just implies how soon the following action happened after the eating was done. I had already seen many pictures of aliens and UFOs. Already implies that the event happened at an unspecified time in the past before now. Even though I was afraid, I had always wanted to meet an alien in real life. Always implies that the action was continuous in the past. Now, pause the video and complete exercise 4. A common mistake made with past perfect tense is overusing it or using simple past instead. For example, in the sentences, the aliens had invaded and she had studied astronomy, the past perfect is not necessary because there is no event that happens after. In the third example, I came home from the store when the UFO landed. Past perfect is necessary here because there are two events that happened in a specific order. Using past perfect would show which event occurred first. Remember, we only use the past perfect tense to talk about something that happened before something else in the past. Now, pause the video and complete exercise 5. Now that you have watched the video and completed the exercises, please watch it again and come up with at least 2 questions that you still have. We will go over them in class tomorrow. Next week, we will go over how to use past perfect tense to express wishes and hypothetical situations, or things that have not really happened, also known as the conditional. Thank you for watching.